Hello everyone, my name is and I'm here to talk about the potential therapeutic benefits of fasting when it comes to cancer cells. I am passionate about helping people understand how our bodies, and particularly our cells, respond to different health interventions. Please consider to drop a like and comment to this video, and subscribe to the channel. We are currently doing a $500 giveaway and a random person will be chosen by the end of the month. To participate, all you need to do is to like, comment and subscribe to have a chance to win. Today I want to focus on fasting and its potential applications for improving our health and tackling cancer. I will be discussing the scientific evidence that fasting can fight cancer, the underlying principles behind this phenomenon, and some practical tips to get started. Let's start by talking about what cancer is and how it works. What is cancer? Cancer is a group of diseases that cause cells to grow out of control. This can cause lumps or tumors to form in parts of the body. Cancer can happen in any part of the body and is caused by both genetic and environmental factors. At its core, cancer is a cell-level problem. It is caused by a mutation in one or more of the genes that regulate cell growth. This mutation causes the cells to grow uncontrollably, forming clumps of cells that don't belong there and can cause health problems. This is why treatments like chemotherapy, radiation and surgery are used to target and kill cancer cells. Fasting versus cancer cells. But what if there was another way to tackle cancer? What if by changing your eating habits, you could provide your body with an additional line of defense against cancer cells? This is where fasting comes in. Fasting is the practice of abstaining from food and/or drinks for a period of time. There are different types of fasting, but they all involve going without food for an extended period of time. The idea behind fasting is that it can help the body to naturally fight cancer. Studies have shown that when we fast, our bodies go into a kind of starvation mode, where the body shifts its focus to repair and restore processes. During this time, it uses alternate sources of fuel, like fat and ketones, rather than carbohydrates and sugar. The scientific evidence supporting fasting. Now let's look at the scientific evidence that supports fasting as an anti-cancer tool. One study in particular found that short-term fasting had an anti-tumor effect in mice. The researchers subjected mice with tumors to a 3-day water-only fast and found that they had significantly reduced tumor growth after a 10-day period. Another study looked at intermittent fasting in humans and found that it reduced white blood cell count and strengthened the immune system while reducing inflammation. This suggests that intermittent fasting could be an effective way to fight cancer. In addition to these studies, many laboratory studies have looked at the effects of fasting on cancer cells. The results of these studies have been mixed, but several have found that fasting can help to slow the growth of certain cancer cells. For example, one study found that fasting increased the death rate of cancer cells in lung tissue. How to fast safely. Now that we've discussed the potential benefits of fasting, let's talk about how to fast safely and effectively. First of all, it's important to consult with your doctor before trying any type of fasting. They can help you decide if it's safe and healthy for you to try. Once you've decided to give it a try, it's important to determine what type of fasting you'd like to do. There are many different ways to fast, including daily intermittent fasting, alternate day fasting, and extended fasting. It's also important to listen to your body and be aware of any changes that occur. If you experience weakness, headaches, or nausea, it's best to stop and take a break. Conclusion. Overall, fasting may be an effective tool to fight cancer cells. While the scientific evidence is still preliminary, it is definitely something worth exploring. If you're looking to try fasting, make sure you talk to your doctor first and be aware of any changes that occur. Thanks for joining me today as we discussed fasting and its potential role in fighting cancer. Take care and stay healthy.